have the right client, we have the right VA. It's like, it's a perfect match.
Quantity doesn't equate quality.
You have more freedom, you have more flexibility. You need to prove yourself as someone reliable.
Mahirap kasi di kanya nakikita. Pero madali kasi pag yung trust nandun na.
You need to be the jack of all trades. Like, you don't just wait for your client to give you tasks. You go out there and be productive. Hi, I'm Donna. I was an executive assistant before taking over Coconut VA.
Hi, I'm Sheena. I've been an executive assistant for 2 years now.
So you don't need leadership skills to be an executive assistant.
No, you really need leadership skills. Kasi being an executive assistant, you're not just an assistant of your executive eh. So when he's away, like for example, when my client, he travels a lot. He attends a lot of university conferences kasi ang background niya is education. Pag may meeting siya with students, automatic yan, alam ko agad anong gagawin. So, hindi niya na ako kailangang spoon feed because I know na what he needs. And then, pag sinabihan niya lang ako na, can you look for hotels for me in Japan because I'll be there. Parang alam ko na yung taste niya, alam ko na yung preference niya, ganyan. So, hindi ko na kailangan tanong na, ano bang gusto mo, yung 5-star hotels ba? Or yung may breakfast? Or yung pet-friendly? No. Because I already know it. As an executive assistant, I anticipate na his needs. So, the leadership skill is there. So, I take over, and taking over means leadership din. So, yeah, for me, you really need leadership skills, and it doesn't limit your potential to be an executive assistant.
That is true, no? So aside from taking over for your client, if they're away or if they're traveling, you also have to sometimes even coordinate projects or even parang ikaw na yung magiging project manager niya. Then that means coordinating with different people, talking to different people, and you need leadership skills to do that. So, madami kang aspects of your client's life na i-lead, na i-drive, na aayusin while they're away. Or even if they're not away, there will be a lot of things that you are going to take care of even while they're there with you. Pero yun nga, your role as an executive assistant is to take away yung mga admin things or repetitive things para they can focus on what they do best.
Okay, next question.
Next.
Ikaw naman mag-answer dito. You need to be available 24/7 to be a great EA.
Ano ka 7-Eleven? No.
Actually.
So, in reality, this varies from client to client. But as an executive assistant, you need to be efficient. You need to also know how to have boundaries with your client. Kasi syempre, sure, you will take care of your client, pero yung mundo mo ay hindi naman yung client mo lang, diba?
Yes.
So you have your life, you have your family, you have other things as well, aside from just work, right? Make sure that alam ng client mo kung anong time ka available. Now, when your client is traveling, syempre, you also have to adjust, and that is fine, but that doesn't mean that you have to be available buong araw or the entire day for your client.
So, yeah, I agree with Donna, 'di ba? Sabi niya, hindi naman tayo 7-Eleven, and eto kasi yung sa pagiging 24/7, quantity doesn't equate quality. Na hindi naman pag 24 hours kang nag-work for your client, quality work ba yun? Wala ka ng tulog. Buong araw kang available sa client mo. Na-compromise na yung health mo, yung tulog mo, hindi ka na maka-work efficiently and with quality. So, yun.
That's true. Next question. Working remotely makes it harder to grow your career.
You develop a lot of skills eh. You unlock a lot of skills or tools to learn. So, it doesn't limit your career to be just that. So, for example, for me, first time kong ma-familiarize yung self ko sa HubSpot. Kahit nanood na ako ng YouTube tutorials, nagtanong na ako sa VA community natin sa Coconut VA. Pero iba pa din na hands-on ako natututo. So yun, parang natutuwa ako, parang I feel proud of myself that I've learned a lot of tools here. I'm looking forward for more, especially here with my client, kasi it's a different field as a flight attendant, di ba? Aviation, tas ngayon education. Magkatunog lang siya, aviation, education, from FA to EA, nagpalit lang ng isang letter. Pero yun, nakakatuwa kasi ang dami ko natututunan. He gives me freedom to choose what tools I want to use or what tools I'm familiar with.
Nakakatuwa lang to, like, we have the right client, we have the right VA. It's like, it's a perfect match.
Yes.
Anyhow, for me, I think, hindi mas mahirap na i-grow yung career mo in the remote world kasi you have more freedom, you have more flexibility. So in my background in corporate, parang if you, let's say, sa call center industry, if you want to be a trainer, yun yung path na susundin mo eh. Pero here in the remote industry or being an EA, you get to learn from your client. Kung ano man yung ginagawa ng client mo, you get to learn from what they do, the tools that they use, and that's how you grow. And then on the side, for example, you're an executive assistant, pero gusto mong matuto ng programming, ng social media, ng graphics, you can because you have time, you have flexibility, and you have the freedom to do that. So, very opposite actually kasi you are able to grow your career more in the remote world kesa you're just following like one path.
It's harder to prove your worth as a remote EA.
To a degree, I would say yes. Kasi in an office setting, diba, you can look busy. Pero it's harder to do that if you're remote. You need to prove yourself as someone reliable. Kasi executive assistant ka eh. You have to get your client's trust, kumbaga. So you get to unlock other tasks like personal things, personal travel, personal finances, aside from just the business side or the work side of your client. Parang double effort to prove your worth as an executive assistant.
It's hard to prove kasi hindi ka nila nakikita. Pero madali din in a sense na like yung mga sagot ko kanina na binibigyan niya ako ng freedom to choose. Kasi with my client, hindi naman din niya in-expect for me to reply right away. Basta lang, maintindihan ko muna yung task before I ask questions. Pag nag-gets ko na I'm on it. Tapos, hindi naman ako nagpa-promise sa kanya ng oras, pero within the hour, may result na for him to review something or go na ba yan to post or whatever. Mahirap kasi hindi kanya nakikita. Pero madali kasi pag yung trust nando na.
You just really have to parang find that rhythm with your client. Set expectations
Yes.
kung kailan ka available para alam din ni client mo. So, when you find that rhythm, it gets easier.
Yes.
Once you get your client, once you learn how to anticipate their needs,
Yes.
parang, that's where you really build trust. And that's how you prove your worth.
Your worth, yes.
As an EA. Being an EA is just about calendar and inbox management.
It's a no talaga. No. It doesn't end there. Kasi yun din yung misconception ng mga tao sa EA na parang kala mo wala ng career growth kasi copy-paste ka lang or taga-reply ka lang sa email, taga-set ka lang ng meeting sa calendar. Pero it's not that kasi yung pagiging executive assistant, hindi ka lang naman talaga assistant nila. Para ka na din nilang partner or you have to be parang one in mind with your client.
Very true. It's not just inbox and calendar management. You need to be the jack of all trades. Kailangan mo maging BDO. You find ways talaga. You will have to find ways for your client. Like, you don't just wait for your client to give you tasks. You go out there and be productive.
Sana nalaman ko sa ibang tao na being a remote EA is very freeing. Akala mo nakakulong ka lang sa kwarto mo or yung office side mo dun sa bahay nyo. It's very freeing. Hindi katulad siguro sa corporate or nung nagpa-flying pa akong hirap mag-VL.
When I initially got, an hour's worth of voice notes, medyo na-shocked ako. Tagal naman. Ang haba ng message. But, aside from that, you learn as you get the task, kasi you receive them. Yun nga sabi ko, kailangan mo maging magician sometimes as an executive assistant.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Coconut!